I got the cards.
All golden. They're all golden cards.
Yes.
Mewtwo GX.
Mewtwo, I thought that was
Charizard.
the hard one to
Sideways
It's-
Flash.
God.
All right. I get it.
We have this video of Tommy opening this setup.
Super water arrow turtle.
Super water arrow turtle.
Umbreon.
Why does the Umbreon have a very fluffy tail?
Umbreon.
That is not an Umbreon. All right, here, let's open mine.
So
Super
he just
giant
jumped
hell
into
flame
it.
extinguisher.
Like went through each one and read it.
Charizard VMAX evolves
All right.
from evolves.
All right, now I'm gonna. Well, here, let me just do it right now.
Charizard VMAX evolves from super giant fire breathing dragon.
Powder, but they
Really sure this is
All right, here we go.
Charizard evolves from fire dinosaurs.
Ash Greninja EX, nice. Mega Gengar, shiny. Shadow Mewtwo VMAX. They're on. Oh, Mega Shadow Lugia. Ice Rider, Calvarex. Eevee Evolutions. Just all of them. Nice. Dragonite V. Charizard VMAX. Astro Trishout. GX.
Is that even a flippin' Pokemon?
And Mega Blaziken.
Okay, now we're gonna look.
What I've seemed to notice is half of them aren't even, like, correctly pasted onto the card. It's fine. Some are in the wrong font, some are in the wrong color. It's okay. I'm not complaining because I'm the one who bought the cards. No, I didn't buy the cards. No, I selected the cards that were of a different country. I got Mega Ash Greninja.
Okay.
They're all like fan art too. Mega shiny Mega Gengar. That's just a screenshot from Pokken Tournament DX. Most of them are literally just screenshots from Pokken
Okay, Sam, I want to show you.
Tournament DX. Mega Shadow Lugia, Calvinax, Calyrex. That's a bit different. Eevee Evolutions are just all of them. They seem legal to me. Dragonite V. Wait, what does it say? Bro, there's like another. Wait, does that say Vietnam? No, there's a watermark on that one. Fire Jet. I forgot to look at this one. Fire Jet. 15,000 damage. You win the game. Fire Cannon. 999 million damage. That's not million.
You win the
game. He has infinite health.
You win the game.
Evolves from Gigantamax.
Just Gigantamax, not Gigantamax.
Evolves from Charizard V Gigantamax. It's a VMAX. Is there still a trainer next to this one? So stupid. And then... Alright, here's Astro Trishout. Actual fan art.
Tungapungo.
Tungapungo.
Squidward Flamiferio.
Seguardo Flamiferio.
Flamata Rumorosa.
GX. Some of them are just in a different language, and this one is just a regular Mega Blaziken, sorta.
Iron Fist.
It's totally like cut fan art, though.
Okay, now...
Cool. We can look at Tommy's cards.
Okay.
Here, no, you're holding the camera.
Okay. Frog Flower with 147,820 health. Athletic card. And Crisis Vine. Ultimate combat power of 7.05 million.
Oh, nice. Yes.
When it rains, the fragrance of the flowers on the back become more intense, and the Pokemon will be attracted by the fragrance. Level 68. Okay.
All right. Odd level, but
Super Water Arrow Turtle? No way! 173,650 health. Mine Bombardment. The opponent's two backup Pokemon each deal 8,620 points. Shanghai. What?
Shanghai. Does it say
Yes.
Shanghai?
They each deal 800 or whatever points. Shanghai.
Oh, what?
If it is a backup Pokemon, the weakness and resistance are not calculated. What? Okay. Ultimate combat power of 7.90 million.
All of
water-
them have like 1,000,000 health.
The water jet of the rocket launcher on the tortoise shell has the destructive power of level 89.
17,000 health. Super Aero Water Turtle.
Umbreon GX.
It's fan art.
Shadow Bullet. Limited edition.
Yeah, limited. From where? Okay.
Charizard VMAX. Whirlpool Hellfire. 500,000 damage.
Level 95 and it has 586 health
Okay,
instead of like a 10.
Rotating at high speed, burning the hot atmosphere. Attack all of the elves of the opponent. Attack all those.
All their elves.
It's
It's totally a translated card or something. Like all of them.
Evolves from Super Giant Fire Breathing Dragon.
Whoa.
Wow.
Nice, man.
And then Super Giant Hellflame Extinguisher, 535,000 damage. A Super Giant attack that burns out opponents in a dense eruption of flames within 5 rounds. Special power. Here, I'll just read that.
Can you turn down the fans?
After being super giant, the power of the flame burning in the body is strengthened. Its flames continue to gush out from the tail, mouth, and dragon horns, and the flames burn hotter and more vigorous when roaring. Okay. That's very small. Charizard V evolves from fire dinosaurs. Level 91, 508 health. Okay.
Yeah, zoom.
Wild Flames, 500,000 damage. Attacking with ignited fire, and all the elves of the opponent will be burned. No, the elves!
All the elves.
Bro. Dazzling Flash Flame Serial Cannon. 535,000 damage. Detonate a super bright flame bombs one after another through Z-Force, and the opponent will fall into a blind state. Okay, I'm gonna read the... Okay. He likes to flight and can spit out jet flames fiercely. The more hard flights he experiences, the higher the temperature of the flames, and even the rocks can be melted away.
Wow. Even the rocks. Another Charizard.
Charizard V evolved from fire dinosaurs.
It's just like all fan art of Charizard.
It's the same thing. It's literally the same.
Oh, it is the same card. Huh.
It's the same.
Wait, why is there like a...
It's the baby Charmander in the middle.
No, it's just fan art.
They have X
But,
and Y.
It's got like a Z crystal on the card down at the bottom.
Z.
And the last one does too.
Z Fire Crystal, huh?
Firanium Z.
There's like Charizard, and there's Y or an X or Y there and X there.
Alright.
Whatever.
Yeah. It's just fan art you can find online. Oh my god, another...
Galarian Darmanian VMAX evolves from Galarian Darmanian V Dynamax.
Darman, yeah.
Max Whiteout. This
Darmanitan.
attack also does 30 damage to each of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Don't apply weakness and whatever. Oh. Okay. So that's like an actual normal card?
It's not.
Okay. Mewtwo and Mew. Also fun. Tag Team. Perfection. This Pokemon can use the attacks of any Pokemon GX or EX on your bench or your discard pile. You still need the... Okay.
It's ability.
Miraculous Duo. If this Pokemon has at least one extra energy attached to it, and okay, heal all damage from your Pokemon.
So yeah, it's a regular card. No cereal on that one.
Magikarp and Wailord GX.
Okay, I think these tag teams are actually just real.
Okay. Super Splash. Towering Splash GX. If the Pokemon is always...
Yeah, it's just a regular tag
Okay.
team card.
Blaine's Charizard.
Blaine. Who? Oh, that's actually like an old card that's just like, everything is covered in foil now. It's just a screenshot. Yeah, it still has the stupid little first edition thing. It's just an old card. Wait, the top looks cool. The top corner. And it's got the Blaine dude at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a scan of an old card and then
Wait.
it turned everything to gold that
Wait,
wasn't
I already got
already. What?
I thought I already got one of these. I got two of the...
Charizard. Sorry.
Wait, no I didn't. Oh, this is the same one. Never mind.
Alright, that's it?
Yeah,
Alright,
that was it. Oh,
okay.
jeez. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Those are our foreign Pokemon cards, friends. Yeah. I also got this Iron action figure. It looks pretty cool. Here, let me unbag it. Alright, it looks pretty cool. It's like got a cool little jetpack and stuff too. It's like adjustable slightly. If I get it back on the plane, it'll be cool to have at my house. At our house, technically. You know. Anyway, that was the Pokemon cards and this Iron Man. Bye.